Hey guys, it's Taylor here with another video. Now mixers are great in that they can help you make a variety of different foods and drinks. More importantly, they can help you save time and energy in the kitchen. With that said, mixers do have the challenge of producing enough power to properly mix ingredients, especially if you're dealing with thicker substances. Some can also be difficult to use, particularly if you've never used one before. There are also concerns about size, noise, and durability, just like any kitchen appliance. And so with that in mind, I put together a list of the 3 best mixers that not only address these factors, but also provide great value for your money. And then depending on your particular situation, you can see which might be the best option for you. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below, and if I'm able to get any discounts or coupon codes, I'll include those for you as well. So first up is our pick for the best stand mixer, and that is going to be the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer. Now stand mixers are going to be great for a variety of different tasks in the kitchen, including kneading dough, mixing batters, and even whipping cream. And out of the many stand mixers we've tested, this stood out to us as the best, and for a good reason. First of all, it has a very powerful 325 watt motor, which means it can handle even tougher mixing tasks with ease. You can also control the speed with 10 different settings, so you can go from a very slow stir to a fast whip depending on what you need. This means that you can use it to tackle nearly any recipe without any issues. In addition, it comes with a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, which is plenty of room for most recipes, and you can get more than 15 different attachments for it, including a flat beater, dough hook, and wire whip. This makes it a highly versatile kitchen appliance. As for durability, well, this mixer is built to last with very solid and sturdy construction. It comes with a 1-year warranty in case anything does happen to go wrong. We also found it very easy to clean, which is always a plus when you're dealing with a kitchen appliance. And finally, it's the quietest stand mixer we've tested at under 90 decibels. This means that it won't be too disruptive when you're using it, and you can even have a conversation without having to shout over the mixer. If we have to be picky, the only downside to this stand mixer is that the bowl's opening is obstructed a bit by the tilt head mechanism. This makes it a little more difficult to add ingredients while the mixer is running, which can be frustrating. However, this is a minor issue since you can always stop the mixer, add your ingredients, and then start it up again, which only takes a few seconds. So all in all, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart stand mixer is our pick for the best stand mixer. If you're looking for something powerful, versatile, easy to use, and built to last, then this would be the one to get. And next up is going to be our pick for the best hand mixer, and that's going to be the Breville Handy Mix Scraper. Now hand mixers are a great alternative if you don't want to lug out a big stand mixer every time you need to whip up a quick batch of cookies or some frosting. And out of the many hand mixers we've tested, this one from Breville caught our eye, and we'll be explaining why in just a bit. First, it's important to note that this is a bit different from your typical hand mixer. It has a unique design that includes what's called a beater scraper. This means that as the beaters rotate, they also move up and down, scraping the sides of the bowl as they go. This does an amazing job of making sure that all of the ingredients are fully incorporated, resulting in a consistent mix every time. As for performance, well, this hand mixer features a 240 watt motor, which is pretty powerful relative to its size. With it, you can easily mix thick doughs and even whip up some stiff peaks if you need to. In addition, this hand mixer also features something that Breville calls Beater IQ technology, and what that does is that it automatically detects what attachment you're using and adjusts the mixing speed accordingly. This ensures that you'll never accidentally ruin your ingredients by mixing them too quickly or too slowly. And speaking of attachments, the Breville Handy Mix Scraper comes with 6 different attachments, including 2 beaters, 2 dough hooks, and a whisk. This means that you can use it for most baking or cooking projects that you might have. As for durability, well, this hand mixer is built mostly from plastic, but still feels solid in your hand and can withstand regular use without any issue. But just in case, you also get a 1-year warranty, so you can rest assured that your purchase is protected. In terms of downsides, well, it's not as powerful as a stand mixer, so it might not be the best choice for larger baking projects. That said, that's to be expected when it comes to hand mixers. But for smaller jobs, it's more than up to the task. Plus, an upside here is that it's much quieter compared to a stand mixer, which is always a good thing. So all things considered, the Breville Handy Mix Scraper is our pick for the best hand mixer. It's very compact, easy to use, comes with a bunch of great features, and does an amazing job at mixing ingredients evenly. If these are things that you're looking for, then this hand mixer will serve you well. And last but not least is our pick for the best budget hand mixer, and that's going to be the Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus. Now, not everyone can afford to spend over $100 on a mixer, and that's perfectly understandable. However, just because you're on a budget doesn't mean that you have to sacrifice quality, and that's where the Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus comes in. For starters, this hand mixer is very affordable, but still manages to pack a lot of features and power into a small frame. For less than $80, you get a hand mixer with a capable 220 watt motor, and just like the Breville hand mixer we just talked about, it's not as powerful as a stand mixer, but it's still more than enough for most baking and cooking tasks. In addition, this budget mixer also comes with 3 pairs of attachments, which include beaters, a chef's whisk, and dough hooks. So that pretty much covers all of your light mixing needs in the kitchen. And last but not least, the Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus is also very easy to use and clean. The controls are very straightforward, and the mixer is dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. Of course, as a budget pick, there are some downsides to this budget mixer that is worth considering. For one, it's not as durable as the other 2 mixers on our list. Like the Breville mixer, the body is also made out of plastic, but it just doesn't feel as solid or well built. In addition, this budget mixer has a weaker motor and also generates more noise. So if you're looking for a quiet and more powerful mixer, then this is not the one for you. So overall, the Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus is our best budget pick for those who are looking for a good quality hand mixer without breaking the bank. It's got enough power and attachments to cover most of your light mixing needs, and it's very easy to use and clean. If that's all you're looking for in a mixer kitchen appliance, then this one has you covered. So that wraps up our list of the best mixers. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment, suggestions for future videos, or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Consumer Buddy family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. So until then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.